welcome to another comparison video of the two inserts. If you're new here, my name's Rochelle. You can call me Rockstar Rochelle. Hit the subscribe button. Make sure you give this video a like, especially if you found this super helpful. We're going to be comparing the stand tall insert versus the new utility pocket insert. Okay, so if you're wondering what the difference between the two is, because there is a difference, this is the video for you. So if you're new to 31, our large utility tote is our #1 product. And a few years back, we had something called the stand tall insert. It was around for a little bit and then they took it away. And you bag babes were like, we need the stand tall insert back. We need the stand tall insert back. It came back for an insider exclusive. So if you're watching this in August, you can currently grab this as an insider exclusive or a hostess for $19. That's the only way you can get this. But stay tuned because I'm going to show you how you can grab it as a customer here in a couple days. But the stand tall insert in itself is like it's threefold, okay? How this guy works and why it was so popular is because you took your favorite utility tote and you stuck the insert in here, and now your utility tote is sturdy and can stand on its own. Now, a couple months ago, or maybe a year now, 31 has transitioned into using plastic bottles with their large utility totes. So I feel like they're sturdier and that they stand on their own, but y'all still wanted your inserts for your older utility totes. I'm so happy that they brought it back. So how this works is you stick it in there, all right? Then you use these little, you have these little straps right here. You see there's two. You stick them in the grommets. 1 and 2. And you do it for both sides, okay? So that it stays in there snug. Again, one thing why people loved it is because one, it kept your utility tote, it gave it added structure, okay? Because they have hardness all on 3 sides. And not only that, but it gave you pockets. So there's one mesh pocket here and another mesh pocket here. So again, we're gonna do the straps on the other side too. So for the purpose of this video, you can see the full effect of how this works. And you get that you can make that informed decision, because that's what I'm all about, is giving you the information so that you can better shop this catalog and figure out what you do and do not like, okay? All I gotta do is snap the 2 things, and as you can see, compared to this guy that has no insert in it, it does have a cooler insert. So if you're wondering about the plastic, that's a new product, okay? So that's what the grommets are the straps on this. But as you can see, and I love how I use the mesh. So now you have like a completed look of what this is, okay? So 3 sides all have hardness, and now it could stand on its own. Now let's take a look at the utility pocket insert. I think for 31 purposes, they need 2 different SKUs. So hence, they're gonna give it 2 different names, all right? Just to keep track. Off the bat, right away, the material is heavier, okay? Whatever material that they have in this thing, I feel like it's twice the thickness as the stand tall insert, and so it is heavier. Another difference is the pockets. So in this one, you only have 2 mesh pockets. In this one, you have 6, hence utility pocket insert. So you have now 6 pockets for this. Structure and insertion is the same. You put it in your large utility tote. Again, don't you love this color? It's our new 20th anniversary color, limited edition. So happy birthday, 31. We are 20 years old. Again, you take the little 2 straps right there. You feed them through. 1, 2, then we snap it. And then we do it again on the other side, okay? I will tell you this does make this utility tote a little heavier. Then we snap, 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 snap. And just like that, now you have all 6 pockets. This one's a larger one, then you have 2 smaller ones in here, okay? Again, added stability, and you have uses because there's no pockets on the outside. Absolutely, you can personalize this. So if you want to do something fancy in your large utility, I say go for it. Now, I mentioned that this insert is only available as an insider for $19 until the end of August. It's going to be discontinued, okay? Earlier in the video, I mentioned how you can get it as a bag babe or a customer. This utility pocket insert is going to be available to all customers starting September 1st, okay? For $35 here in the US. So Yay, that's good news. You guys have been wanting access to this. It is going to be a new product for you guys in the fall, winter. Now, if you want more fall, winter things, I posted a whole bunch of videos on the channel, or you can come join the membership. There's a join button down below next to the subscribe button or somewhere around here. I'm also going to pin it at the very bottom of the comments so that you can get more behind the scenes of all the fall winter stuff. I got tons here already. Don't forget to give this video a big like if you found it super helpful and did not know there was a difference. You're welcome. I hope I helped you shop the 31 catalog a little better. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and check out these videos that I got going for you. Until next time, bye babes. See ya. Bye-bye.